Sawmill interview number 2. Tonight we're having Bryson. You say Bryson?
Bryson, yeah.
Okay. Who is a very entertaining guitarist and singer with a very dry sense of humor. Is that right?
You can say that, yeah.
Do you play any other instruments?
For a while I was playing steel guitar, like Paolo.
Uh-huh.
And quickly realized I'm not smart enough to play that well, and so I left it to the professionals like Paolo, many others. But yeah, every stuff with strings mostly.
Okay. Do you play banjo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dabble. Yeah.
Great. And you sing amazingly well.
Thank you very much.
And you're very young. I
Yes.
don't know if people say that, but you sound like this old, have lived everything. It's like a blues guy when you sing.
Oh, thank you very much.
Is that something you get often?
Some people say that, yes. Yeah, they don't, they are surprised at my age, usually.
Where did you learn to sing like that?
I just love those old songs so much when I was first learning how to sing. And my dad's side of the family was all musicians.
Okay.
So my grandfather and my aunts were all in a band growing up called the Jordan Singers in Albany, Oregon. And so long story short, they live out in North Carolina now, some of them. And so I would go out there and they would give me some tips and stuff like that. And yeah, I just kind of fell in love with it and just tried to sing like the records.
Right. And you're mostly on your own, right? You don't have a band?
Yeah, mostly I play a lot on my own. Sometimes I have a band, but I just moved, so I don't have one at the moment.
Right.
So I had a band back in Portland, but now in New Orleans I'm just kind of on my own.
So he lived in Portland and now he's back in New Orleans?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
New Orleans, Louisiana.
And the style you play, I heard you describe as roots music?
Sure, yeah. Pretty much everything. It varies. It's a very broad, that might be one of the broadest genres or things to say, because it covers everything from like the mid 1800s to like 1968 or something. Like it can go all over the place. So
you didn't choose. You didn't pick sides. You didn't want to be just part of bluegrass or jazz.
I couldn't. It was like they're all so good. It's hard to just pick one. So I love country music a lot. So when I have a band, I usually play country music. But anything, I play anything. I grew up learning guitar, playing like ragtime and fingerstyle blues guitar, like Mississippi John Hurt and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I still love doing all that stuff, and then it all kind of melds.
Okay. Yeah. Who would you say is your main influence, both on the singing and the guitar?
That's very interesting. Probably Roger Miller is one of my biggest. Blind Willie McTell. Jimmy Rogers, for sure.
Oh yeah, he yodels. I hope you're going to yodel tonight.
I'll do some. I will, yes. If we don't get shut down, I'll do.
If the boat sinks, we'll know why.
Yeah, exactly. Like just people like that. Merle Haggard, just it's just so many, and they all span. That's what I'm saying with this roots thing. Like, it all spans like everything from Blind Blake and all that to, Keith Whitley and all these like country artists. So it's all over the place. It's messy.
Yeah. And you have did you tour a lot yet in the States or in Europe?
Yeah, in the States I tour a lot. Like I was saying earlier, when it comes to Europe, I've literally only been to Paris.
Yeah. But you love Paris.
I love Paris. I bought a passport so I could come here, and then it's the only place when I think about going anywhere else, I just think about going to Paris.
What do you like about it? What's the things you like about Paris?
I really can't. I don't speak the language, so it's no reason why I should like it, really.
Okay.
It's not easy, but I don't know. It's just so great. It's like the food, obviously, is a huge thing, and then like people like Paolo and David, like people that just like all love American music and they love to hear you play it, and they want to like, I don't know, maybe that's some attention I didn't get as a child or something.
Oh,
now I seek it out coming to Paris.
I saw something. Was it on your SoundCloud or your Facebook? Like,
Oh, I hope
and
not.
you do. He's also comic stand-up. You do also stand-up
Oh
comedy.
yeah.
And you mentioned something like anything that proves I'm needy and
Oh.
looking for attention.
yeah.
I'll do.
Yeah. Anything that validates me, I'll do it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So friends, if you want to have him over, you just have to invite him anywhere in Europe.
I'll do
or
anything.
France.
Yeah, I'll do
No
anything for money. Anything at all.
Okay.
And even then, just it doesn't
Okay.
even have to be that much.
Okay, so we're gonna have to close this interview, but
Oh, okay.
I hope you have a really good time tonight. And
Should be good.
you have a website or a how can
It's
people
all
follow?
if you just Google my name,
Yeah.
Zach Bryson. I have the most things from people with my exact name.
What do you mean? Oh, okay.
Like with
So
people
you're-
with my like.
You're the main Zach
When it comes to
Bryson.
Zach Bryson, I'm not trying to gloat. I'm not trying to put anybody down. But when it comes to Zach Bryson, I'm cornered the market.
Well, your name for the La Seine, your scene name, your artist name is the one and lonely, right?
Oh yeah, the one and lonely. Yep.
So that makes it.
Yep. The one and
And
lonely
also
Zach
you have
Bryson.
a new album out,
Oh yeah.
which
put
I am
out
so
a-
fond of the title. Can you say?
Oh
that?
yeah, it's called Songs That Will Ruin Your Day.
I love it.
And I've had that idea for years, but I just finally got all the songs together for it. So, yeah, it's just kind of a collection of songs I wrote while living in Portland over the past 7 years or so. So, they're sad. They're sad, but people don't seem
But
to
they
be.
make us happy.
It seems to be a counterproductive title.
Exactly.
People go against it, so
They like it.
tend to like it. So,
Mm,
yeah, it's exciting.
that's
So,
so important. Well, thanks so much
Yeah,
for being
thank
here,
you.
and
Thanks for
looking
having
forward
me.
to your gig.
yeah. I'm looking forward to playing. It's gonna be great.
Yeah.
We'll eat some cheese afterwards, I hope.
Yeah. Okay. That's it. I hate cheese.
1, 5, 2, 6.
Seems like every day one of us has to say, I'm sorry, it's such a shame. Whether it's you or it's me, how sorry can we be? We have to say it every day. Seems like every night we get in the same old fight over nothing. We both know it's the same old petty thing we're both fools to believe. We can't make it on our own. But you tell me you don't know what love is. Just know there isn't it. You've never seen it, but you know love exists. When you find it, it won't look a thing like this. When you find it, it won't look a thing like this. Anyone could see that you're tired of me, and I'm getting tired too. Tired of waking up and pretending I'm in love. get tired of denying the truth. Oh, but you tell me you don't know what love is. You just know it isn't it. You've never seen it, but you know love exists. When you find that it won't look a thing like this. When you find it won't look a thing like this.